This Porsche paint was absolutely hammered, swirls and scratches everywhere, and the customer just had it ceramic coated and paint corrected. This car has a story. Keep watching to find out. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. First thing first, when I start detailing, I wash the wheels and the tires. This is the 2022 Porsche Panamera, and the products that I'm using in this detail, I list them on the screen. And first two products that I use for cleaning these wheels are very important. This can actually change the game how you clean your wheels and tires. Whenever I detail cars like Mercedes, BMW, or even Porsches, I always use iron remover to clean the wheels. This product breaks down all the brake dust and it cuts your wheel cleaning time in half. The only concern with this product is do not let it dry on the wheels. Thanks to all my regular viewers, you have been watching my videos. I try to post a video every Sunday, and thank you for watching, liking the video and commenting down below as well. If you are new to the channel and you just stumbled across my detailing videos, if you like, you can subscribe to the channel. Make sure to like the video as well. This tells YouTube, hey, this video is doing pretty good. And just a few minutes, I'm going to tell you how this customer came across my detailing business and what exactly happened to this Porsche Panamera paint. While I was rinsing down the paint, you must have noticed there was a lot of water beading on the paint and there was no water standing. That means there is some kind of protection on the paint, and this customer found my business on Google. Actually, he lives about 2 hours away from where my shop is, and he came all the way to get his car detailed. And he told me that he just bought this car a few days ago. Within that time, he had the car paint corrected and ceramic coated by another detailer, just to find out the car was full of swirl marks and scratches. Don't know how that happened, what happened, but the excuse that the previous detailer gave to the customer, that they used wrong kind of towels when they were doing paint correction. I don't think they had proper LED lightings, they did not see the paint condition, or I don't think they understood exactly how Porsche paints or German paints work with different cars. So I believe lack of understanding how paint works kind of played into this, and when the car came to me, had a lot of swirl marks because the previous owner, whoever had this vehicle, took it to the car wash almost every week. The paint was absolutely hammered, so the detailers who worked on this vehicle, probably they did not understand what they were doing or what they were dealing with. Well, as you watch towards the end of the video, 14 hours later, this car was back to looking brand new again. After washing the car, I did do the decontamination steps, but I did not record them. So here is the true condition of the paint. The paint was absolutely hammered. Whenever the car goes to a car wash, the lower parts of the vehicle always gets beading because the lower parts are the dirtiest parts, and the lower parts take a lot of scratches and swirls. So make sure never to take your car to the automated car washes. And this paint, I had to test out different pads and different polishes to make sure whichever works to give me the best results. For this particular paint, I used 3D1 compound with Maguire's microfiber pad, and the second step I did was Lake Country orange pad. This yielded the best results, and I was able to get about 80% improvement in the paint. But when the customer picked up the car, he said you got about 95% improvement. The driver's side of the vehicle was the hardest to do the paint correction because there was a lot of swirl marks on the driver's door and the rear passenger door, and here I had to use different polishers. I did not show in the video. I can show in later on where I do a paint correction video where I can show exactly how my process is, but here I had to use 3 different polishers to get the best results that I could, and as you guys can see the before and after, they are amazing. After the polishing stage, I use an IPA wipe down or a panel prep. This is to make sure to remove all the polishing oils that are remaining behind before you apply a ceramic coating, so that the coating has a very good bonding with the paint. And here I'm using Adam's graphene coating for the protection of this Porsche, and this coating is very versatile. You can apply it towards the paint, the glass, and the plastic trims. I even coat the wheels with this ceramic coating because this coating lasts the duration. And guys, if you are looking for a good ceramic coating that does the job, Adam's graphene coating is the way to go. At this point, it was 3 a.m. in the morning. 14 hours later, I ceramic coated the glass, the paint, and all the plastic trims that are on the vehicle, and this Porsche was back to brand new again. Customer was really happy. And guys, if you liked the video, make sure to like and comment. And just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.